Good morning kay Study Buddy. Sa video ito, pag-aaralan natin ang network model. The term network flow program describes a type of model that is a special case of the more general linear program. The class of network flow programs include such problem as the shortest path problem, the maximum flow problem, the pure minimum cost flow problem, and the generalized minimum cost flow problem. A network consists of a set of nodes which are linked by arcs or branches. A network is described by N and A, where N is the set of nodes and A is the set of arcs. Sa example kong ito, meron tayong network. So meron tayong node 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And ang ating arc is 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4, 3, 5, and 4, 5. Okay? So, meron tayong tatlong technique. So, minimal spanning tree technique, maximal flow technique, and shortest route technique. So, unahin muna natin ang minimal spanning tree technique. The objective of the minimal spanning tree techniques is to connect each node to at least one node while minimizing the total distance. So, ang isang example na ito ina-apply sa series connection in electrical circuit and cable wire of telephone connection. Whereas kapag nakapag-build tayo ng network, connected na tayo sa mga halimbawa from town A to town B or town C. So once na may connection na yon, so makakatawag ka or makakakuha ka ng signal ng from town A to town C. So one example nito yung sa ating PLDT. So Gregory is the head engineer of PLDT and he is tasked to provide the telephone lines to 9 towns in the province of Cebu. Each town must be connected from another town starting with town A using the shortest possible distance. He was able to determine the distance in kilometers from one town to another. How should the towns be connected? Okay. So ito yung ating table. So meron tayong 15 branches and from node A to node B, o ito yung arc natin, so meron daw distance na 8. A to C 3, from A to D 11 kilometers. So ito yung mga value niya. So first step natin is draw the network para mas ma-visualize natin yung ating table. Okay? So draw natin yung network natin. So meron tayong node A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and I. And meron tayong arc. Meron tayong A, B, ang distance is 8. AC 3, AD 11. Okay, yung yellow box nire-represent yung distance. Okay, sa aking diagram. Okay. Step 2, determine the unconnected town nearest to town A. So, ano ba yung nearest or unconnected na town sa town A? So, D, C, and B. So, alamin natin yung nearest distance, which is the town C. So, A to C ang ating magiging path. Okay? Next, determine the unconnected town nearest to town A or town C. Okay? So, ito yung mga unconnected na town. D, G, F, E, B, and H. So, ano ba yung nearest or shortest distance natin? So, ang shortest distance natin is C to E with a 1 kilometer. Okay? Next, determine the unconnected town nearest to town A, C, or town E. Okay? So, ito yung mga town B, D, G, F, and H. So, with distance of 5, so ang pipiliin natin is si town B from E to B. Okay? Next, determine the unconnected town nearest to town A, C, E, or B. So, ano ba yung mga unconnected natin? So, D, G, F, and H. Then, select natin yung lowest or minimum value na distance. Obviously, si 6 kilometer from C to D. Okay. Next, determine the unconnected town nearest to town A, B, C, E, or D. Okay, ang ating pagpipilian. So, towns G, F, H, and E. Ang ating lowest dyan ay ating town H. So, from E to H with a 7 kilometer. Okay. Next, determine the unconnected town nearest to town A, B, C, E, B, D, or H. So, ano ba yung mga town na unconnected? So, G, F, and I. So, pagpipilian natin yung lowest with a 4 kilometers distance from H to I. Okay? Next, determine the unconnected town nearest to town A, B, C, E, D, H, or I. Okay? So, ang ating unconnected town na lang ay F and G. Okay? So, ang lowest is pipilian natin 9, 12, 14, and 13. Yung 2 hindi pa siya connected. So, hindi pa natin siya pwedeng isama sa ating pagpipilian. So, ang ating lowest is 9 km with D to G. Okay? Determine the unconnected town nearest to town A, B, C, E, D, H, I, or G. Okay? So, ang ating minimum na unconnected is from G to F with a distance of 2 kilometers. Okay? So, step 10, determine the total distance connect all the towns. So kukunin na natin yung total distance. So, 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 4 plus 2 plus 9 with a total of 37 kilometer distance to connect all towns. So, tinable natin from A to C, 3, C to E, 1, E to B, 5, C to D, 6, E to H, 7, H to I, 4, D to G, 9, and G to F, 2 with a total distance of 37 kilometers. Okay, so that's all ang ating topic sa network model ng minimal spanning tree technique. So thank you very much.